Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the driver door and sit. Find the small lever under the dash on the left side, approximately 2 inches from the door jamb. The lever is black plastic and marked with a hood icon. Grasp it with your thumb and index finger. Pull the lever firmly toward you until you hear a single click and feel slight resistance release. Do not yank repeatedly. One deliberate pull will pop the primary catch and allow access to the front of the car. Walk to the front center of the car and slide your fingers under the bonnet edge. Locate the secondary mechanical latch roughly centered behind the grille. Press the secondary catch to the left about 1 inch while lifting the bonnet with your other hand. This is a safety latch and prevents accidental opening. Maintain steady upward pressure as you move the catch. Release tension gradually once you hear a soft click indicating the latch disengaged and the bonnet will lift a few inches. Lift the bonnet slowly with both hands until the gas struts take the load and hold the bonnet fully open at roughly 45 degrees. You should feel steady resistance as the struts engage. Inspect both struts visually and by gentle pressure to confirm they hold firm and that the bonnet sits stable with no sagging. If a strut is weak, use the prop rod. Locate the designated slot on the bonnet inner edge, insert the rod securely, and lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.